Welcome to CAP TV. Hopefully you've all reached home safely and are now back to work. Last week we gave you a sneak peek at some of the highlights from this year's CAP Euro London. And this week we've got even more exclusive footage for those of you who missed out. But first, we want to thank all of you who made it out for making this event one of the biggest to go down in CAP history. Nearly 1,700 people attended, making CAP Euro London 2009 the biggest iGaming affiliate marketing event ever to be held. And of course, who could forget the second annual CAP Awards? From Golden Girls to Wonderland, the ceremony is known to be a very memorable occasion where the iGaming Community Awards are industry favorites. Renee from Awards Affiliates, who won Best Casino Affiliate Manager for the second year in a row, had this to say. It's a great honor to be crowned as Best Casino Affiliate Manager 2 years running, and all the support is truly appreciated. This industry is one of the best to be in, and these types of events, as well as the range of amazing people I've spoken to and met over the years, make me think I'll never leave it. Congrats to the other affiliate managers too, nominated or not. I think we all deserve recognition for the fantastic jobs we do. So without further delay, here are the highlights from CAP Euro London 2009. What an event! For more info on CAP Euro London, CAP Euro Amsterdam, and other CAP events, be sure to check out our new CAP Events website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next Wednesday for the next edition of CAP TV.